A lot of drivers think air dryer failures happen suddenly, like one day it's fine and the next day it's okay. But what I'm about to show you proves that usually is not true. This air hose feeding the air dryer was found completely packed with carbon and debris. And when we see this, it tells us one thing right away, that this problem didn't start yesterday. On most trucks, air system contamination builds slowly over time. The truck will still run, it may not throw fault codes, and from the driver's seat, everything feels normal. That's why this kind of failure catches people off guard. Here's what's important to understand. The air compressor doesn't just push clean air. Over time, heat, oil vapor, moisture, and carbon byproducts can move through the discharge side of the system. If the air dryer isn't removing that contamination properly, or if the system hasn't been serviced correctly, that material doesn't disappear. It travels. And once it starts moving through the air system, it doesn't stop at the air dryer. This is where a lot of repairs go wrong. We see trucks come in where the air dryer was already replaced, but the contamination was never addressed. So the new dryer gets installed into a dirty system, and a few months later, the same symptoms come back, sometimes worse. At that point, the driver thinks, I got a bad part. In reality, the system was never cleaned or inspected as a whole. Another issue is that most trucks won't warn you early. There's usually no check engine light that says air system contamination. Instead, you might see slower air build times, moisture in the system, repeated dryer issues, or secondary problems that don't seem related at first. By the time it becomes obvious, you're often already dealing with multiple components. This is why we always say inspections matters more than parts. When a truck is still running, that's your opportunity. That's when you can inspect the discharge line, check for carbon and oil carryover, evaluate the dryer, compressor, and downstream components, and stop the problem before it spreads. Once the system is fully contaminated, repairs get more expensive and downtime increases. If your truck is still running, this is not an emergency situation, but it's a timing situation. Catching air system contamination early can be the difference between a planned repair and a roadside failure. And that's exactly what we focus on here. At TAT Express in Dallas, we don't just replace air system parts. We inspect the system as a whole, identifying where contamination is coming from and determine what actually needs to be addressed before it turns into repeat failures. If you're dealing with air issues, slow builds, moisture, or repeated dryer problems, this is the point where inspections matter. Air system failures don't happen overnight, they build over time.